The issue of insecurity in Nigeria remains a concern. The activities of Fulani militia, kidnappers, and bandits in the Middle Belt region and the country at large continues to increase. Elders and key players from the Middle Belt region, after deliberations, resolved that the federal government must take urgent steps to address the situation and save the country from another civil war.
If the federal government doesn't do anything, we are going to lead into anarchy, and anarchy may result to war. It's unfortunate that today majority of Nigerians are coming to hate Fulanis, not dislike, for reasons of inaction of the federal government. Something has to be done. We have lived with our Fulani brothers. All this importation of foreign Fulani and lodging people in the forest, deceiving them that they are fighting jihad should stop.
The forum also condemned in strong terms the threat by the miyetti Allah to make ungovernable for states implementing the anti-open grazing law.
NEC views this as a clear threat to national security and demands that miyetti Allah officials should be arrested, investigated, and prosecuted under our anti-terrorism laws. The Middle Belt insists that the federal government must come clean and yield to the demands by the Nigerian public to unveil the identities of these sponsors of Boko Haram, especially the 400 bureau de change operators as identified by the UAE authorities.
The elders opposed to any form of amnesty to insurgents and a planned recruitment for the so-called repentant terrorists into the national security architecture.